Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to cancel a Spotify Premium auto-renewal. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to a Spotify application. After opening the application, you'll have to log in using user credentials and you will see your Spotify's dashboard. Here, click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, click on the account button from these options and you'll be taken over to this page where you will see your current plan at the top of the screen. Now, on this page, you will see account, subscription, payment, security, and help option. You'll have to just click on your current plan that you're seeing just right here. It is going to take you to this manage your subscription page where you'll have to click on cancel subscription. Now it is going to show you what you're going to miss out after canceling your plan. So if you cancel your plan, you will change to the free plan on this specific date that is shown just right here. So you'll have to scroll down, then click on continue to cancel. So basically, when you're going to cancel your plan, the days that are remaining for your plan will stay on your account. Your account will still be premium and it will be changed to the free plan on this date that will be shown here. Now, after you do this, click on continue to cancel and here Spotify will offer you other plans that you can choose from. Now, if you don't want to do this, simply scroll down and click on continue to cancel. After you do this, you will be at the last page that says cancel premium individual plan. So you will change to the free plan on this date that will be shown here and will lose access to all premium benefits. Simply click on the yes cancel button just right here and you would instantly cancel your premium subscription for Spotify. So that is the only way to cancel the auto renewal in the Spotify premium plan. This will not instantly cancel your premium plan, but the auto renewal will be turned off and you would have successfully cancelled your Spotify auto renewal. So that's how you cancel the Spotify auto renewal feature. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.